Four Seasons Hotel Tokyo at Otemachi. It's a dead center of Tokyo. This is a brand new Four Seasons. There's the Marunouchi one, which is not far from here. But this Four Seasons Otemachi was opened in late 2020, so not too long ago. Anyways, so a trend among suites in top hotels have two toilets, and this is no exception. Anyways, this is the premier suite. So separate bed and living room, 81 square meters of space. CEO math, I think it's a little over 900 square feet. 35th floor. This is not the top category room, but it's one of the higher category rooms. Anyway, so this is the living area. Nice large TV. And looking over here, you can see Tokyo. That's the Shinjuku skyline in the distance. It's too hazy to see Fuji. But you can see the Imperial Gardens and the palace. Slightly obscured by a few buildings between this one and the gardens. Still very nice, but it's not comparable to the view you will get in select rooms at Aman Tokyo, and especially the Palace Hotel Tokyo, which has stunning rooms, views from the rooms, as well as an amazing balcony where you can further enjoy the sights of Tokyo, including the Imperial Palace grounds. Anyway, so this is the living area. So let's walk over here. So coming around. Actually, before we show the bedroom, let me show you the washroom area. Bath. I think in the back to the right is the shower, and to the left is the toilet. So let's turn around. Let me do it nice and slow to not get people sick. All right, so we turn around. And this is the bedroom. So this is the northeast of Japan. And you can see in the distance, that is the Tokyo Sky Tree, which is now the tallest structure in Japan, and one of the new landmarks. But the iconic view is really looking west. And so today is a Saturday, so these office buildings, there's no one in there, or very few, so you don't have to worry about people gazing in, although probably at night you want to close the blinds. So another good view of the palace grounds. All right, so that does it. The premier suite at the Four Seasons Hotel Tokyo at Otemachi.